Have you ever noticed how stress can literally make you sick, or how a good workout can instantly improve your mood? In this video, I'm going to explain what the body-mind connection really is, why it matters, and what you can do to improve your health, your focus, and your emotional well-being. I'm Katharina. I'm a registered clinical counselor and a registered dance movement therapist here in beautiful Australia. And just a quick disclaimer, please seek advice from your trusted medical professionals such as your doctor before making any changes in your lifestyle if you are concerned for your health. Let's get into it. So what is the body-mind connection? It is the idea that our thoughts, our emotions, and our mental state directly affect our physical health and vice versa. So every thought, every emotion that we have sends a signal through our nervous system, and that triggers a physical response in our body. Have you ever noticed how when you feel stressed, you tense up in your body? I tend to get tense in my shoulders and I start chewing on the inside of my cheeks. Sometimes I don't even realize it until I've started doing it for a while. Have you ever noticed that your body responds when you like someone or when you feel nervous around someone? We talk about the butterflies in our stomach, but maybe your heart starts beating faster, or you start feeling faint or even nauseous. In this day and age, a lot of us tend to feel the disconnect between our minds and our bodies. And we tend to expect our bodies to perform, to push through this next workout, to push through work, to get things done. We tend to sit too much and we tend to get stressed constantly and overstimulated mentally. So what if I told you that rebuilding the body-mind connection can help you manage your stress better, improve your focus, it can help you regulate your emotions, and it can help you feel more present and grounded. Your body can train your brain just as much as your brain trains your body, and that's powerful. For example, good posture can help you boost your confidence. Or when I engage in strength exercises like Pilates, I can feel my muscles strengthening and I feel strong in my body as a result. And that translates into my mind feeling strong and confident that I can achieve my goals. But in order to foster that body-mind connection, we really need to quieten our mind. And for that to happen, we need to foster a parasympathetic nervous system state. In that state, we can help boost immunity, reduce inflammation, improve our sleep, and increase our day-to-day energy levels. But how do we do that? There are simple ways to improve your body-mind connection. And the simplest one is to take a few deep belly breaths, to let your belly inflate on the inhale and then exhale for longer. And that instantly promotes a parasympathetic nervous system state. And that's really the state that we need to be in to feel safe, to rest and digest, to truly listen to our body. And another thing you can do is to move with awareness and to pay attention to how your body feels. And I've got several videos on this channel on how to check in with your feet, just to do a little foot exercise, to check in with your lower back, with your spine. So they're all separate videos on different parts of your body. And I've also got a free reflection tool that you can download in the description box of this video if you want to track your body sensations and thoughts and feelings while you do those exercises, so you can check in with your body and see how it feels and see what it needs in that moment, so you can respond to that need. And another thing you can do is, of course, you want to nourish your body with exercise and nutrition. Feed it with whole foods and with regular movement. You also want to reduce mental noise. So less scrolling, so you can have those moments of quiet and stillness and reflection to really understand what your mind and body needs. Remember that consistency matters far more than perfection. So you don't have to get it right all the time, but it's important to keep going and keep trying to foster that parasympathetic nervous system state using the activities that we've just talked about. And remember that our mind and body are partners. So when you listen to your body, your mind becomes clearer. And when you calm your mind, your body becomes healthier. Growth, healing, and balance don't just happen in the body or in the head. It happens where the two meet and respond to each other. I'd like to know from you, what is the one thing you're going to take away from this video? What is the one thing you're going to start doing today to improve your body-mind connection? What is the one thing you got curious about? Remember, there's a free reflection tool in the description box of this video. There's lots of videos on here to check in with your body. And I've also linked a few books for you down below. One is on when the body says no. So what happens when we don't listen to our bodies and when we don't foster that body-mind connection. One is on the joy of movement. So what happens in our brains when we engage in exercise. Remember to take care of your mind and your body. And I'll see you in the next video.